हाय एवरीवन। सो अभी जो आप वीडियो देखने वाले हैं दैट्स माय स्पार्क्स फाउंडेशन इंटर्नशिप टास्क 3 वीडियो. डोंट जज द वीडियो, it's actually the internship video, so see the video. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Chandrika Cholia and I am really happy to share that I have completed my task 3 as a data science and business analytics intern in the Sparks Foundation. The title of the task was Exploratory Data Analysis Retail Sample Superstore. The objective of the task is, as a business manager, try to find out the weak areas where you can work to make profit in the superstore. What all problems you can derive by exploring data, I am going to show you. So I have completed this task on Power BI. As you can see that here is the table of 9994 and here is the data analysis I have done. So we can see that the profit by region, the winner is obviously West. The West region has more profit, followed by East, then South and then Central. So we should focus on Central area to increase the profit. Similarly, you can see that the profit in the category, profit by category, the furniture has lowest profit, that is 6.44%, and the technology has the highest. So we can go on with the technology because it will give us more benefit in the future in the market demand. And by ship mode, the first class has very good profit, but the same day ship mode is quite less, so we can avoid the same day profit, and we should go by the standard class ship mode as it is giving more profit to us. Here you can see the profit and sales table, the overall profit and the overall sales table, 2.86 and 2.297. Here is the profit by state and country, that is this is all the US countries. Here you can see that all the US countries. The most profitable state is California, followed by New York, and then Washington, Michigan, Virginia, Indiana, Georgia, and further, and the less profit is the, I am not able to show it here. It's a very less profit, that's North Connecticut something, South Dakota, sorry, that's South Dakota. The profit has very less, so we need to improve in that state. And here is the map of the state and profit, the US, the total. Here is the pie chart and here is the map. We can see in the map as well whatever profit the state is doing. And moving forward, here is the total sales and the total profit. The total sales is $2.3 million and the total profit is $286.4K. And similarly, we have seen the ship mode in the pie chart there as a profit. Here the sales also, the standard is going very high. So here in the profit it was opposite. As you can see, the ship mode in the profit, the standard class is high, and here also the ship mode of sales is high, so we should go by the standard class only. And we can also go by second class and first class, but we can avoid the same day. Here the sales are shown as a region and category. The East has technology as a major priority for sales, and we can see that office supplies has West as a major category of sales, and South also has West as its major category. So West is kind of going a very good sales rate, and south is as well deteriorating, so we need to focus on the south because the category, the sales are going down, so we need to focus on the south region. Here is the table of total profit of every category wise profit and ship mode, followed by the discount and the sales. Here is the map. We can also see here also. Here is the total profit, sales and discount. And if we want to see the this is the second class ship mode sales. Here it is 459.1k sales and 57.45k profit. Here we can see that second class has more in west. Similarly, the central here is somewhat lagging behind. So by checking the sales by ship mode and checking the region and category, we can also improve the sales market, as well as before we have also seen the profit market. So we can follow this data analysis and we can improve by region and by state and country, checking whichever circumstances possible to make and grow the business. Thank you so much.
Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can share this video as much as possible and please give some feedback. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.